Hi you guys, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft. I just finished a video. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch. Brunch and Broadway is the name of that. So these are the scraps that I had sitting out on my desk after that. I went and pulled a photo mat, an old Creative Memories photo mat to use to mat this, partly because I'm running really low on super dark navy cardstock, and because I need to use these up because I have about 1,000. That's a lot of cards. So I'm going to completely cover this piece of white cardstock, and this is one that I had sitting on my desk, and it's a portrait mode card, so it folds either like that or you can open it like this. I think I want it vertical. I like it. So I'm going to fully mat it with this rather than leaving an edge. And then cut a piece of this for the background, and not a huge mat there, just a 1/8 of an inch mat. And then I think these are long enough that I can make sorry about that, my dog's going crazy. 2 strips going down, and then this, I'll use this Get Well Soon ready-made sentiment. I need to trim it up. I may actually die cut it out with a stitched rectangle die. I think that'll look nice with it. And that's probably about all I will do. What I may do though is also do some faux stitching around this part, I think. I like the idea of that. I've started wishing that I had a set of A2 rectangles, stitched rectangles. So that's gonna go on my wish list, just to give my mats a little more dimension, I think. But I don't have those now, so this is what I'm doing. So this needs to be okay, I'm back. We may get interrupted by my dog. I've pulled out a whole bunch of different gems, To decorate the flowers, I fussy cut the large cluster from this piece of paper. I think I'm about done with this piece of paper. There's a few little ones I can cut out, but I'm not sure what's going on with my puppy. Well, she's not a puppy. She's 6. But she's raising a lot of noise downstairs. So I'm going to do this. I like that. That'll help it stand out. And then I pulled just a variety. That's a little too small for that one. So I'm going to use this. Where'd that giant one go? Oh, this one. For that one. And I think I'm going to use this for the turquoise. I don't have a navy one really. I mean, I probably do somewhere, but too hard to find. That one there. And then I need a small one for here, and I could either use an orange or I could use this one. I think I like this one. These are all Queen & Company. I went to a class at a convention of theirs where you got a whole big kit of their stuff, and I bought more years and years ago. So that looks really cute for those. I don't have a whole bunch of tiny pink ones. I mean, I probably do somewhere, but I'm okay with those. I'm just going to do some probably stickle dots in those for a little sparkle. And then I've got these 3 down here. So we're gonna bling those up as well. And then we're just gonna put this here. And then I'll make these 2 small ones stand up and do this one flat. Just do that in the corner instead of enamel dots. Oh, stand up. Stand up. So these are some good size foam adhesives here. And then, let's see, I have these that are gems. These are more goosebumps, and I think I like using the goosebumps. So we'll make this an orange one. And we'll use one of these gold ones here. And then I think I had a little tiny turquoise one out somewhere. Here it is. But it needs glue. So we'll do a dot of glue there. All right. Oh, I need to glue this down. All right, Well, I have fewer scraps to put away. Some that I can actually feel comfortable with throwing out. And I have a beautiful Get Well Soon card with a lot of bling on it. So please give this video a thumbs up and come back for more cards from Scraps and layout pages. Thanks.